everyone, Matthew Barbie here with Perfect Company. Just want to take a quick moment to show you just how easy it is to get started and how to connect your phone or tablet to your scale. So whether you're using Perfect Drink, Perfect Bake, or Perfect Blend, the connection process is always the same. So when you open the box, you'll have your scale. First thing you want to do is put batteries in. So flip your scale over, remove the battery cover, and insert 3 AA batteries into the scale. Then just replace the battery cover, and you're all set to go. The next thing you'll want to do is download the app. So just go to the App Store. Then in the search bar, type in Perfect Drink. You'll see the Perfect Drink interactive recipe app comes up. Select that. And then when you find Perfect Drink, just download the app into your device. And then the icon will appear on your tablet or smartphone. Now it's time to get started. So first thing you want to do is connect your app to your scale. So launch the app. It'll ask you a few questions. So yes, I have a scale. Yes, I have a wireless Bluetooth scale. So the first thing you want to do is make sure the Bluetooth is turned on. To do that, all you have to do is go back to your home screen, go to your settings app, select the Bluetooth option, and then turn on the Bluetooth. You'll know the Bluetooth is on by the little icon in the upper right hand corner. Now you can go back to your home screen and back to the Perfect Drink app. Now you'll be asked to turn the scale on. And once the scale is on, it should connect right away. So allow Perfect Drink to have access to your microphone, then hit next and you're ready to go. So you want to enter in your age to make sure that you're of legal drinking age. Very important here. So your first time through the app will be a quick little onboarding tutorial of where a few things are, like your scale connection status, not connected versus connected. Hit next, and this will show you where to change your recipe categories, and then also where to get more recipes. Then just hit don't show again. So you see that our scale is connected right now, but I can hit this button and that will disconnect the scale. And then I can also reconnect the scale here. Little check mark, see that we're good, we're all set. So here you are at the recipe library screen, plenty of recipes at your disposal right out of the box. So I think that we'll make it dark and stormy today. So I search for dark, and here it is, right there. So I'll hit build. Now the last very important process is to calibrate the scale. So make sure you've removed everything from the scale, nothing at all on it, and hit OK. This tells the scale what true zero is. Now you're ready to go. So I just start by following the prep steps, put my glass with ice on the scale, and all I do is pour. A little dark rum. It auto advances to the next ingredient, a little lime juice. And last but not least, the tasty ginger beer. And now Perfect Drink will prompt me to stir my beverage. You can also use the buttons on the scale to navigate through the app. And then it tells me what to garnish, a little lime wedge, up, and here we are finished. Time to enjoy my dark and stormy. Fantastic. Now you're all set to start enjoying Perfect Drink, Perfect Bake, and Perfect Blend. If you have any questions, make sure to visit us at makeitperfectly.com and have a perfect day.